are going straight. We are going straight. We are going straight.
We follow this way.
Straight. We are going straight.
We follow this way.
This way. We are not going down this way.
Nothing here.
Hey!
Let's take it now.
Hi. Hi. Yeah, we started together. Fine.
It's real life.
Slow it down! Somebody should tell them to slow down. We're in no rush. People stand still. If they don't understand,
Adams, may they hold. No, that's join us. Let's just hold. Hold on, everybody. Just hold on. Let's hold, brothers. Please hold on, guys. Please hold on. Let's stay.
How many of us there to queue?
Nathan.
How many more of us there to queue?
Nathan.
This is what I'm looking for, sir.
Nathan.
Hold up. Hold. Let's make it. Hold. Now that's join.
They should come forward. I'm also looking for him.
Can we get some popcorn?
Where's the band guy? The band guy.
DJ Buck, Shake,
The band guy.
I don't know which. I need to know this one. I mean this one. This thing out.
Let me ask Nathan. Just give people.
Some people love something.
Food. Do you want? Do you want food?
My guys, how far?
Let's keep moving.
Give people.
Let's keep moving.
Just talk. You know.
One leg.
Nathan, please, I need gas mask. One.
They'll finish. Hey, bro! Why would they go one lane? Baba, why would they go one lane? This lane. Guys, no stay on this side, please, I beg.
Hold the line! Listen to the restriction! Hold the line! We are not thieves! We are not armed robbers! We are not kidnappers! We are not thieves! End police brutality!
But we dare to fight for it. Inside it now.
They live sorrow, tears and blood. Them regular Forex. It's not Yahoo. It's not. Warriors do it.
I'm tired.
Well done, well done.
You have to get up. If I hear any sound, I just get scared.
We are moving though.
Regional sickness, yellow fever and coffee.
Cross, we don't cross.
Oh, ọmọ Yorùbá. Shock. Guys, let's go. The target is to get to us.
This is a new dance called Open and Close. I'm singing to tell you about Open and Close. I want to tell you a story.
Stay safe, stay safe. No, you cannot fish for them, right? We don't forget our identity. All this house.
Heavy brother, let's sit down inside sun, let me sweat. Let me share what we are doing. They will look themselves. Look their pocket. Did you get it? Tell me.
I don't think so. Slowly, slowly. Tell them slowly. Please get the flag. They will not shoot when they see the flag, the Nigerian flag. We need the Nigerian flag here. Where's back? They are turning back.
Police brutality! Police brutality!
Don't be scared. down, go down, go down. The army to intimidate us. Go down, down. Go down, go down. Please go down. I'm videoing.
Shoot us, sir.
No, you don't need to incite them.
Can you imagine? See what? Well, it's a peaceful protest for God's sake. We are here for the protest and you are bringing military for what? It's just a peaceful protest. We won't. We won't need them quiet. Let us see slap us. I love slaps. We are all one. We are all one. We are all one. We are all one. Rush these guys. You know if you rush these guys, bro. No, you don't know, bro.
Calm down, big. I beg, calm down. We don't say our soldiers there for us. They don't go shoot us. Okay, we don't say we are there for us. They don't go shoot us. Calm down.
Down, move. Oh shit.
Favor, chief.
Let's pick some people. Aisha is there. Aisha is there. Are we running? The National Assembly is heavily militarized. To serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation, freedom, peace and unity. Oh God of creation, lion and freedom, peace and unity. Our fatherland, we love and faith. Down. Stop running. Nigeria's call obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, our nation, freedom, peace and unity. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. Put your fist up. Down with your fist up. Guys, please, let's move to that side. This way, please. Let's move to the other side.
Be ashamed. Be ashamed. Yes.
Move to the other side. Please, let's move to the other side.
You don't do more than go. You don't do.
We're doing this for your children. For the children and the family.
Respect.
Respect to you guys.
Respect. Go back.
Okay, sorry.
Respect. They are not our enemy. We are not fighting them. They are not our enemy. They are not our enemy.
Let's go.
We need to remember how we started, and it's not going to change from now.
Unity Fountain.
Wait.
This guy will explain.
Where are we headed to?
Camera.
Yes, photographer's camera. Where are we headed to? Okay.
Bro, sir, our banner.
Our banner.
Yeah, let's go. Unity Fountain.
Our banner.
Great Nigerian youth. Great Nigerian youth.
come to.
No, I will not run. I will not run. Let them point. I will not run. They can't take my phone. Take my phone for at me. I'm not running. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
She should be the
They don't want us to reach National Assembly, but
they don't want us to get to National Assembly because
They're not really going to shoot.
because
no, they will not shoot.
because it was
If it were police. They said we're going to Unity Fountain. Ma, but I disagree with the idea of going to Unity Fountain. I disagree with the idea.
Relax. We are staying here.
Why should we go to Unity Fountain?
Hey! Calm down. Calm down.
Relax.
Calm down. We're all here for the same thing.
Calm down.
Where did you go? Go back.
Much better than what they are giving to you.
we can't see clearly. Let's go.
Are we going to
Nobody's going to go back to
That's the only way we go. That's the only way.
Go back! Go freaking back! I said go fucking back! Go back! What's happening?
We have our but there won't be
Better things for our soldiers. Better pay for our soldiers. More respect for our soldiers.
Where are we going to?
Excuse me.
We are here.
I don't buy that idea of going to Unity Fountain. I don't buy that idea of going to Unity Fountain. Who are we meeting? Who are we meeting there? We voted for these people, but they cannot come out and address us. When we go to Unity Fountain, what are we going to be doing there? Just sit down there and talk to ourselves?
It is that.
We go to Unity Fountain to talk to ourselves.
pass. Just if that guy with first aid, this guy got injured very bad.
You know we are scattered, so I can't.
That guy got injured.
You know, glucose.
Please, if you found a lost phone, pick up the phone. Yeah.
Sorry. You picked up the phone?
I see we're looking for a phone.
What kind of phone?
Samsung.
I'm on live. It all is bad.
Sit, everybody!
Sit down. Everybody here is fighting for everything in this country. We are fighting for the children. They are yet to
So I want you all to let's start moving. Let's start going.
let us go.
Can we be turn?
Let's go.
Let's turn. Let's bring Nigeria.
General.
See them here. We don't go anywhere. No, they are clearing the road. Let us go. All the police can't tell them. That way don't be like
What the soldiers for waiting? For waiting.
Maybe they want to kill us.
Oh yeah, you can't protest. He was murdered.
The details do not matter. The details do not matter. What matters is that he was brutally killed. That is what matters.
So what causes the death of him? What causes the death of him? Why do they kill him? What has he done?
He's a mechanic. He was protesting. He doesn't want to be called to peace. Let's kill him.
Can you stop engaging this man?
Just go. We have a better plan. Let's just go.
How would they do? I'm more go back.
Go away. If you like, bring the whole division. We there here.
We're going back, but guys don't want to go back.
Let him enjoy. Let him enjoy.
Lumi, they say my money. Lumi is supposed to be here. How they pick people?
I want to be at
Anna, I don't know.
about the camera.
We are waiting for the camera.
Can we pick this stuff?
Stay here. Don't carry everybody.
Freedom come out by struggle. Freedom come by struggle.
She's very expensive. Take this
by struggle, freedom come by struggle, by struggle, freedom come. Justice by struggle, by struggle, by struggle, justice come. Freedom come by struggle, freedom come.
We take the message. We give them into the game.
So in the end,
We have come here by struggle. We have come by struggle. By struggle. We have come by struggle. I know. We have come by struggle. By struggle.
on that day of
We have come. Justice coming.
I need to make that go now. Take everybody.
By struggle. By struggle.
Let's go back. No, don't touch her. We are not giving this thing. So let's make it back. Can I hold your back?
This is it. Once this.
What we want, we've gotten it.
They don't move everybody, everything you consign. Even from that side, I can start.
For them to treat your guard.
So we are going to where?
I'm raising my hand up, but you can see that.
Let's go and join us. That's broken it. So the only thing we need. That's where. No. If we go fast, go.
But there are 2 days. There are 2 days. So what should we do? What should we do?
Where's Aisha? I'm not fear police now.
I'm scared. But there's one thing. Let's keep safe. People rush to fight.
Yeah.
They should fight.
Another day. True.
Let's keep safe. So what they told you?
You keep going back.
What's supposed to be? If they start to go, Nigeria, you.
brutality. End police 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 brutality.
You're not man. Fuck you. You are not man.
Police brutality.
Black Lives Matter. Yes, sir. And SARS. And police brutality. SARS must end. SARS must end. And SARS and police brutality. Black Lives Matter. And SARS and police brutality. We are Nigerians. We are young. We are fine. We have the right to dress well. We want to be killed by the leaders of this country. Enough is enough.
Never more power, Nigeria. Kono, kono. Tempo. Kono, kono. Tempo.
We need somebody to stand up for saying that we need this against.
Greatest Nigeria, you. Of the greatest, of the greatest, of the greatest, of the greatest Nigeria, you. Officially, you are in charge of Nigeria. Officially, you are in charge of Nigeria. Officially, you are in charge of Nigeria. Your voices, you have opened it. And they are hearing you loud and clear. They used to tell you that the youth are not united. They say the youth are lazy. The youth cannot come together and fight for something. Guess who is wrong? They are wrong. Yes. And today you have proven it. Yes. You know the government came out and said that they have put things in place. And one of the demands you made was that protesters should be allowed to protest freely. Yes. Because the Constitution guarantees it. Yes. Did that happen? No! Did that happen? No! Did that happen? No! I can't hear you. No! I can't hear you. No! What did you say? No! Today you know that
This is no democracy. This is dictatorship and aristocracy. There's no democracy.
So let me tell you something. You first of all try to go to the police, right? Yes. Which is under the executive. Yes. And what happened? They chased you. They give us more. Chase us right. Yes. You know why I've been saying consistently? Your anger. Don't let your anger control you. When they do something to make you angry, you say what?
Kulu temper.
Temper. Kulu, kulu.
Temper.
Kulu,
Temper.
kulu.
Temper.
I know some of you are wondering why I have swag, right? Yes, I have teenagers. My daughter, I have teenagers, so I have to behave like one. And my daughter always says to me that, Mommy, you behave more like a teenager than I do. I'm like, you know that. But let's say this. You now decided to go to the National Assembly. What happened?
They stopped us. I mean, intimidation. Harassment and intimidation. They chased us. Come to go let us.
They crossed us. They arrested us.
We were intimidated. No. Arrest us.
Arrest TV, still camera is still with them, right?
Yeah. 48 hours.
So,
in 48 hours. And then they beat them up.
So
they are
now
traumatized
you know
by their actions.
that your National Assembly is now with you.
Yes.
The
We cannot talk to our lawmakers.
to make laws for you to defend you are not with you.
Yes.
Let no one tell you otherwise. But we still and they attack. Okay, they're just telling me that the cameras have been collected by them.
Power to the youth.
Who is in charge of Nigeria?
The youth.
Who is in charge of Nigeria?
dies.
My generation were told that we're leaders of tomorrow. Tomorrow never. And I'm glad that you're seizing the moment right now. Like I said earlier when we were here, and they were talking those guns, and I saw anger, and I saw people saying also, I said no, you have to control the situation. No matter what it is, you control the situation. You do not allow them control the narrative. Because they are going to shoot in the air and everybody was low. You will walk with dignity away from them. You're not walking away because you're afraid. You're walking away because you use your brain. And you're going to strategize. And you let the government know that all the things they're saying is a lie. Because when you decided to go protest, they stop you, they harass you, they hit you, they intimidated you. They shot at us.
We are moving to that
We are not here to speak English. We came to say one thing. End police brutality. No, they speak English. They don't hear English. End police brutality. What happened? We are too touche. We are too boss. End police brutality. Okay, you're going to speak about it. It's too late. Nobody. Speak English. Don't speak the better.
Faria. No, they're attacking people here. Calm down. No, they are not. I'm telling you, I'm here. I'm gone, guy. Nobody has been attacked so far. Nothing. Yeah, yeah, no. See, Sosa. Sosa, this guy, sir. Your camera guy, your graphics guy. What's his name? Onyx. Yeah, they're all here. Alright.
You're doing it live.
I know now, I know. They want to see your face. You'll be online soon.
Nigerian people! Why are we eating this and forgetting why we are here? So, one of the things. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hi. You know what, you know? I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Can you hear me? Yes. I'm so proud. I'm proud to be a Nigerian. And I say, what my parents couldn't do for me, you did it. What I couldn't do for myself, you did it. You made the government understand the power of the people. You made every other citizen understand the power of the people. And I want to say, on this race, on this journey, no retreat! No surrender! No retreat! No surrender! No retreat! No surrender! No retreat! No surrender! And this journey is a marathon. It's You will take it slowly after the other, and once you are not giving up. They expected by now you will be tired. They expected by now you will not come out. They expected by now you will be watching their things. You will be on Twitter. Where are you?
On the streets.
Where are you?
On the streets. On the fucking streets.
On the streets. Where are you? On the streets. Where are you?
On the streets.
Where are you?
On the streets.
Where are you?
On the streets.
You are on the streets, right? Exactly. And you are controlling the narrative.
Yes.
What I want you to have is that control over what happened. Let the decision be yours. And at this moment, what I would like to say is that can we all go to Unity Fountain?
Yes.
And then you strategize and go, tomorrow, what happens?
We move! We move! We move! We move! We move! We move! We move!
Not be by not by praise. The other one, you know how this English, now drop this English that you. Now enter PG now. That's how that code that they form you. Why does they form anyhow? Does they look at the shoe? Understand how you say it? The other one just the fan, no, I say come and grab now. You understand the apple now? This one again. This one now, Papa, now will die. This one now, Papa, now will die. You know what they talk there? I thought they got that time, I only want to grab it yet. And then I always got that in a sort of you get that? This one now, Papa, now we die here. But the thing we say, now we will talk how we will take that design.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now we not going to tell us how we will take that design.
Yes, sir.
When you see that they behave and they have a dust book and say, guys, you know what they look useful. Now because our government giving that UDP, if they do that, we are going to taste you. Let's see now. But today here now, so can we start working?
Yes.
And go to Unity Fountain.
Yes.
And do strategy.
Yes.
And sit down and talk and say these are the things that are going to happen. If the government is not sincere, right?
Yes.
The government is insincere. You must put out a statement. Beyond the working. You must put out a statement that the media will carry in Nigeria. The media around the world will carry. It's not to just keep working. And then tomorrow you come out, you know where to go to.
Yes.
And you keep doing that. You stand. No wahala. Whatever you know, but you are so abiding Nigeria. But the thing is that you must have tenacity.